Hello teacher, my name is Aldemar. The theme of the video is Bayou. I grew up in a small town called Pangote in Santander region. I was a peaceful place far from busy cities. My days were full of reading and exploring books, movies, and art. We really made me appraise these forms. If I had discovered my love for nature and cycling, I mean, not have realizing how these simple joys could change the way I see life. At the school, I particularly like the elegant uniform, these impeccable shirts, shorts, and pants. I wasn't just about following the rules, I was a way to express my love for style and art with size allowable who I am. I was known for being outgoing and friendly, especially in school, hallways and classroom. I was always ready to make someone laugh, even even if that something meant I talked too much. While I had many interesting subjects like chemistry and physics didn't excite me as much as the arts did. I, if someone had told me back that my lack of interest in the areas would lead me to life full of creativity and exploration, I might to have believed them. But now, looking back, I see that every choice and preference has helped me find and accept myself.